Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Maths Relation and Function Exercise 1.2 question number 3. Let's see the question. Prove that the greatest integer function f r to r given by f of x is equal to. So as it is greatest integer function, it's given in bracket x is neither 1 to 1 nor on to. So it is not 1 to 1 and not on to, where this bracket x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. So it is less than or equal to the x value. Now the given inside value is the greatest integer, but your function given here is r to r, real numbers to real numbers. So let me give you some examples. If I take 1 point, so it should be less than or equal to x. So if I take 1.5, then it will be 1. Removing the bracket, it should to round off to the less than or equal to the inside value. So inside value 1.5 means it will become 1. Same if I take 1.4, it will become 1. To round off, it will become 1. Same with 1.3 also, it will become 1. So taking some rational number, your final answer will become 1. So marking in the sense, if we mark in the arrow diagram taking 1.5, 1.4, 1.3, everything goes to 1. I am just giving one example. It's not the same thing, same example you need to give it. You can give your own example. Yeah, everything goes to 1. This is not a 1-to-1 function because every element goes to 1. If I take 2.5, then it will goes to 2. Same 2.4, it will goes to 2. So it is the one element in the codomain as many pre-images in the domain. So you can write it as the different element of 1.5, 1.4 and 1.3 have same image 1. Therefore f is not 1-to-1 function. So according to the given thing, we have proved 1-to-1. Let us move on to onto function. They have given, this is your domain, this will be your codomain. Your codomain is equal to the real numbers. Codomain equal to R. So what will be your range? The range given here is integer. So your range will become integer. So the codomain is not equal to range. So these two are not equal. This is quite larger. Real numbers are larger than range. They are not equal. If only they are equal, all the elements in the codomain will be marked. So there will be no leftover here. As we have only integers are marked, the more are leftovers. So we can say that therefore f is not onto function. So from this we can say it is neither a 1-to-1 function nor a onto function. That's all with the sum. Thank you.